Welcome once again to my channel. Zaa Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome, and to my subscribers, you are also welcome.
Do you want to clear your stretch marks? Are you suffering from stretch marks? Then let's get back to my workstation and watch this video together. Remember to use it continuously to have the effectiveness of it. Please don't use it only once and expect miracles to happen. Use it continuously to clear it out. Let's get back to my workstation and watch this video together. Remember to subscribe. Also turn the notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to ProMix a stretch mask cream. This one is a ProMixing method and it works effectively. So you can try it out and come back and testify with it. So let's get back to my workstation.
My first ingredient will be my VitGold Stretch Mask Therapy lotion or cream. My first ingredient will be my VitGold Stretch Mask Therapy cream, and also my Miracle Derm tube, my Shanique Perfect Leg, and my Miracle powder. This four can work for you. Yes, it's very effective. You can use that one too, but this one I'm also going to add in a few ingredients to it. I'm also adding in my recovery oil. Yes, recovery oil is very good for stretch marks. You can decide to add in rescue, bio oil, any stretch mask oil of your choice. And this is my shea butter. Yes, I'm going to blend it. And also I'm going to add in some of my Pattern Fat oil. Yes, Pattern Fat oil is for green veins, blue veins, all varicose veins, and also it's good for stretch marks. I'm also going to add in my lavender oil. Please, you can decide to add in the repair one. Lavender repair essence. That one is also very good. This is my melted shea butter. I'm going to add in the VitGold lotion or cream to it. Please make sure to get original product. Yes, if you get the original product, it's going to work for you. I have done it and I'm still doing it for the person. Some people always come to my DM to thank me, and I really appreciate that. Yes, I really appreciate it. I don't give fake recipes. I do it, I sell it, I use it before I will paste it. So guys, please, some people will not use the original product or use the accurate recipe, and they will come and dislike your video. It's not good. I use full VitGold cream, and I also use my Miracle Derm tube 1. So right now I'm mixing it together. Then I'll add the rest of the ingredient to it. And my first ingredient will be my Pattern Fat oil. Yes, I blended the fat with the oil. Yes, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of it, which is 45 ml. Pattern Fat is very good for green veins. Yes, but the smell is something else. Let's focus on the work, okay? Yes, what Pattern Fat oil can do for you. Forget about the smell. The smell is not good at all. But let's forget about it. Let's focus on the work itself. I'm also going to add in my Miracle powder. My Miracle powder is choked, so I'm going to add in little of my rose water. Yes, to melt it. You can decide to do yours like this if yours is choked. But when you bought it and it is a powdered form, please try to add in the powder. Don't add any water to it, okay? Yes, Miracle powder is a powdered form, not watery. I'm also going to add in my Shanique Perfect Leg Stay 2, 3 tablespoons of it. Shea Perfect Leg is also very good for green veins, stretch marks, blue veins. Okay, it's also very good. And I'm going to add in my lavender oil. Please, you can decide to add in the lavender essence oil. Lavender essence oil is also for scars, stretch marks. So if you want it to work it effectively faster for you, then add in the lavender repair essence. That one will be better. Okay, guys? Yes. And I'm also going to add in my frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is also very good for green veins and stretch marks. Yes. I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of my frankincense oil. My next oil is my vitamin E oil. Yes, please. Try to get tocopherol. Tocopherol is very good also, okay? Yes. The original vitamin E oil is very thicker than this one. And I also add in 1 tablespoon of it too. Right now, we are going to add in our last oil. That is the recovery oil. Please, you can decide to add in bio oil, rescue oil, any stretch marks oil of your choice. I added in 3 tablespoons of it. I'll be listing all the ingredients at this end of this video, okay? So watch the video till the end. My boy is not helping, so I'm going to change it to the cup so that you can see how it look like. See how our lotion or cream look like. So yummy, nice, and it's going to work. Yes, I'm going to scoop all into this bottle. I'll get 3 bottles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.